Hey everybody, here I am with a update video of on the 2001 Toyota Tundra. This is a summer 2022 update of the 2001 Tundra. Sorry for the little shaky cam. So I'm trying to hold it still as best as possible. You may notice some slight changes on the exterior, which I'm going to talk about, which I did some stuff off camera. What I have here is some brand new headlights. I replaced the eBay lights that I had on here for about 2 years because the clear coat on them was starting to peel, and plus they were starting to oxidize at the top, and it just didn't look good. So I went ahead and got some OEM headlights, and I even put brand new bulbs in these while I was changing these out. So these are the chrome housing. The ones I had on here prior to that had the black housing. Plus they were starting to get harder to see at night, so I went ahead and bought a set of these. I even replaced the OEM grille because the grille on this truck was starting to come loose. When you start to open the hood, you can feel it kind of rattling around. The only thing I had to transfer over was this Toyota badge and the V8 badge over. And if we come to the back, we even did a little thing while I did the headlights. I went ahead and replaced the tail lights for some OEM ones. I had the tinted tail lights on here. Plus I wanted to match the headlights to kind of keep it close to OEM. But I never changed the third brake light. It's still holding up just fine for now. If there's a point where if the third brake light decides to go out, I'll go ahead and replace it with an aftermarket LED one I'm probably gonna get one that looks closer to the OEM and put some white LED bulbs in the cargo lamps. And I'll even change out the the little bulbs for the license plate lights for LEDs. But not much has changed on the inside, so let me give you a little tour of the inside. It's already unlocked. Last year, my lock actuator decided to quit working on me. It started dying on its own, and it just started all of a sudden decided to kick the bucket, so I ended up replacing the lock actuator. So now it was mainly on this side right here. So now once I hit the button, it now unlocks and locks from this side. Same thing on, even though this one still got the original one. I never replaced that one, even though that one's still working just fine. And so far my AC knobs that I've replaced in one video are still holding up. But not much has changed. I'm going to show you the current mileage for those of you who are curious how many miles it's on this truck. So let me get my key out. So we're basically at 143,000 miles. But overall, still that ain't really nothing for a Toyota, for your typical Toyota. Even though the oil change got to be due at 144,000, which I've been driving this truck a lot. Even though it's been driven a good bit to go do computer repairs and go to the store and go to work and things like that. I even replaced the broken door handle trim on some of my doors that were starting to crack and get brittle. Even though last year let me open this little door up right here. So far my window latch is still holding up just fine since I replaced this whole latch assembly. But yeah, that's all I gotta share on the 2001 Tundra. Hope you guys enjoyed this little short update video, and like always, thanks for watching.